Good day, students. My name is Mrs. Oludipe Odubolanle Oluremi. I am your mathematics teacher for this session, and the topic to be treated is variation part 1. Lesson objective. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to 1. Define variation. 2. Explain direct and inverse variations. 3. Solve problems involving direct and inverse variations. Enjoy the lesson. Variation. Variation is the term that refers to the relationship between two or more quantities, in which a change in one quantity results in a change in the other or others. A quantity in the relationship which never changes in value is called a constant of variation. In mathematics, we usually deal with two types of quantities: variable quantities or variables, and constant quantities or constants. If the value of a quantity remains unaltered under different situations, if the value of a quantity changes under different situations, it is called a variable. The types of variations are direct variation, inverse or indirect variation, joint variation, and partial variation. We shall be treating only direct and inverse or indirect variations in this session. Direct variation. The relation between two variables which vary so that their quotient equals a constant or their ratio remains fixed is called direct variation. Alternatively, if variation change proportionately, that is, either increases or decrease together, then it is called direct variation. If y is direct variation with x, it can be symbolically written as y varies directly as x. Reads y varies directly as x, or y is directly proportional to x. To introduce equality sign, we must introduce a constant of variation, that is, y is equal to kx, where k is a constant of variation or constant of proportionality, and k is equal to y over x. Example 1. Waec 2009, question 2. In a particular year, the exchange rate of naira varies directly with the dollar. If 1,122 naira is equivalent to $8, find the naira equivalent of $36. A. 8,976 naira. B. 5,049 naira. C. 140 naira 25 kobo. D. 31 naira 17 kobo. Let's go on a short break. You are welcome back. Solution. Naira varies directly as dollar. Introduce a constant k to enable us replace varies directly by equal to. Naira is equal to K times dollar. when naira is equal to 1,122, dollar is equal to 8, then 1,122 is equal to K times 8. Divide both sides by 8. 1,122 over 8 is equal to 8K over 8. 140.5 is equal to K. Substitute 140.5 for K in naira is equal to K times dollar to get the relation when dollar is equal to 36. Naira is equal to K times dollar. Naira is equal to 140.5 times 36. Naira is equal to 5,049. Therefore, the key is B. Example 2. Waec 2001, question 5. If n varies directly as m and n is equal to 8 when m is equal to 20, find m when n is equal to 7. A. 13, B. 15, C. 17.5, D. 18.5. Solution. N varies directly as m. N is equal to Km, equation 1, where K is a constant. N is equal to 8 when m is equal to 20. 8 is equal to K times 20. Divide both sides by 20. 8 over 20 is equal to K times 20 over 20. 2 over 5 is equal to K. Substitute 2 over 5 for K in equation 1 when n is equal to 7. N is equal to Km. 7 is equal to 2 over 5m. Divide both sides by 2 over 5 to get m. 7 divided by 2 over 5 is equal to 2 over 5m divided by 2 over 5. 7 times 5 over 2 is equal to 2 over 5m times 5 over 2. 35 over 2 is equal to m. 17.5 is equal to m. Therefore, the key is C. Inverse or indirect variation. The relationship between two variables in which their products remain constant is called inverse variation. Thus, as one variable increases, the other decreases. When we write y varies inversely as x, or y is inversely proportional to x, or y is inversely proportional to 1 over x, we mean y is equal to k over x, where k is a constant. Note that the behavior of the variable is just opposite of direct variation, and that is why it is called inverse or indirect variation. Meet you after the timeout. You are welcome back. Example 1. If y varies inversely as x and y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 3, find y when s is equal to 6. Solution. Y varies inversely as x. Y is equal to k times 1 over x, where k is a constant. Y is equal to k over x, equation 1. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. 2 is equal to k over 3. Cross multiply the equation. K is equal to 2 times 3. Therefore, k is equal to 6. Substituting 6 for k in equation 1, we have y is equal to k over x. Y is equal to 6 over x. Equation 2. Using equation 2, when x is equal to 6, we have y is equal to 6 over 6. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Example 2. Waec 2018 question 3. Given that y varies inversely as the square of x, if x is equal to 3 when y is equal to 100, find the equation connecting x and y. A. Y x square is equal to 300. B. Y x square is equal to 900. C. Y is equal to 100x over 9. D. Y is equal to 900 square. Solution. Y varies inversely as the square of x. Y is equal to k times 1 over x square, where k is a constant. Y is equal to k over x square. Cross multiply the equation. K is equal to y x square, equation 1. When y is equal to 100 and x is equal to 3. K is equal to 100 times 3 square, which is equal to 100 times 9. Therefore, k is equal to 900. The equation connecting x and y is ys square is equal to 900. Therefore, the key is B. Example 3. Neco 2014 question 26. Y varies inversely as x square. If y is equal to 3 when x is equal to 4, find y when x is equal to 2. A. 8. B. 9. C. 10. D. 11. E. 12. Solution. Y varies inversely as x square. Y is equal to k times 1 over x square, where k is a constant. Therefore, y is equal to k over x square, equation 1. K is equal to ys square. When y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4, then k is equal to 3 times 4 square, which is equal to 3 times 16. Therefore, k is equal to 48. Substitute 48 for k in equation 1 to get the relation. The relation is y is equal to 48 over x square. When x is equal to 2, k is equal to 48 and y is equal to unknown. Y is equal to 48 over 2 square. Y is equal to 48 over 4. Therefore, y is equal to 12. The key is E. References. Check Waec 2008 question 6b, 2014 question 16, and 2017 question 2. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.